Today I'm going to teach you how to assemble a frame, as we can see here, by the 45 T-slot and bracket with other accessories. Now I will teach you how to assemble a T-slot frame angle, as you can see here. Now I'm going to assemble the T-slot with a T-bolt and a flange nut. Okay, now here, slide the T-bolt into the slot. Then put the bracket on it. Use the flange nut to fasten it. Now here I can slide it from this side to another side. In the last, fasten it. This one is done. Now let's come to another one. It's the same. Slide the T-nut into it. Put the bracket on it. Okay, now I'm fastening the flange nut. As you can see, it can slide from the side to another side. Finally, fasten the nut. As you can see, solid and easy to assemble. Hi, now we have already completed the 4 angles of the T-slot frame. We are now going to assemble them with the separated 4 T-slot front profiles and the brackets with other accessories into a whole T-slot frame for you. Okay, now we finished the base of the whole T-slot frame. Next, we will use the separate frame profiles to assemble the whole T-slot frame with the bracket and other accessories. First, we need to combine the separate T-slot profile with the bracket. Use the flange nut and the T-bolt. Okay, now we can screw the bolt tight together with the whole frame. Okay, now we are done here. The other corner is the same as this one. As we can see here, we have already completed the assembling of the T-slot frame. It can be applied in your workshop operating table, and it is very easy to assemble and very solid. Welcome to send us inquiries. We can offer not only the T-slot profiles but also all the accessories you need. If you need an assembling service, we can help you.